My name's David Emsley and I am a director of NovaLux LED. And what we do is we help companies to save energy by using the latest technology of LED lighting. Because LEDs are about 5 times more efficient than the sort of lights that they usually have in, so the fluorescent or halogen or sodium type of lights. These are very, very inefficient. They use a lot of energy. So if we can put in lights that only use about 20% of the energy of the old ones, then obviously that saves an enormous amount of money on their energy bill, which is a very popular approach, as you can imagine. This is Broadgate, which is a big office block in the middle of Leeds. Very prestigious building, as you can probably see by all the buildings around me. And the key driver for the client here was to reduce their energy costs, which we have made a big impact on. It's always challenging working in a building where all the residents and all the tenants are present. So most of our work here was done during the night, starting after 7 o'clock at night when nearly all the tenants have gone home. So that's obviously a challenge. The other challenge is the scale of the whole thing. This building was a refurbishment, so obviously all the existing light designs were already in. So it was largely a case of replacing like for like with the light fittings that were already there. We've changed 1,200 lights in this building of about 12 different types. So it was quite a logistical issue with managing that over a period of a number of weeks. Feedback is very positive. There is an immediate impact which is already visible on the electricity bill, which is always encouraging. I mean, obviously it should happen. All our theoretical calculations show exactly what's going to happen, but it's always nice to see that actually reflected in bills going down, and that's been a very positive impact. And I mean, the other impact, as you go around the building, it's noticeably brighter in many areas. The car park, for instance, without becoming too technical, the car park was often only around 50 or 60 lux, which is quite a low level of light, but it's now well in excess of 200 throughout. So there's effectively a tripling of the light levels, which is very significant. The loading bay is similarly important, that you have enough light, and the old lights were not powerful enough to make it a safe working environment. So we've obviously changed that and improved that very significantly. The payback is inside 4 years in this building. That's actually quite a bit longer than we've often found in other projects. And the reason for that is that the vast majority of these lights are emergency lights, which clearly are more expensive to put in. But even so, the payback is well inside the client's stated target, or clearly they wouldn't have gone ahead in the first place. NovaLux is a company that specialises in commercial lighting, and we use the latest technology of LED to help clients to save money by saving energy. And that also means that they save and reduce their carbon footprint, which is very positive these days. So we do everything from the initial design and the planning, the audit of what's already here, the planning of exactly how we'll replace it, the costing of all that, the business case, the payback, all the technical side of things, before we then supply the actual light fittings themselves. We install them, we warranty them for 5 years, and we do the whole package right through from initial thinking about maybe we should do something to the completion of the total project.